Oftentimes, we find ourselves using multiple messaging platforms. Sending a message manually in many apps by copying and pasting them is a waste of time. We can easily fix that by creating a nice automation using Scramjet Transform Hub. In today's video, we'll connect our Discord server to a channel on Slack, so that whenever I send a message to Discord, I will be able to see it on Slack. What we're looking at is a simple architecture diagram that shows the data flow. We'll first read the Discord messages using the Discord read sequence, which will send the messages from Discord to the topic. You can think of topics as just pipes that can forward data between sequences. The next element is the Slack write sequence that will read the messages from the topic and write them to our Slack channel. If you wanted to, we could easily create a two-way integration that would include two more sequences. One for reading messages from Slack and the other for sending them to Discord. But let's focus on implementing one-way integration for now. We start by going to the Scramjet website. Select Documentation and go to the Transform Hub. Then click Quick Start. That'll take us to our GitHub repo with the Discord Slack connection sample. You can see there are 4 sequences here. We'll be using only Discord read and Slack write today. Let's clone the repo and start with Discord read. First thing is the topic that we're going to be writing to. Messages Slack inbound, and then the sequence itself. It's not using the input stream and takes authentication token as the parameter. We define an output pass-through stream, and then we initiate Discord client from the official Discord.js library. Then we listen to message create events from the client. On each message, we will be writing to the output stream. Then we log into the Discord API using the token from parameters. At the end, we modify our output stream so that it is sent to the correct topic. To run it, we only need to obtain the API token from Discord. The instructions for that are available in the README of these samples. We go to the Discord developers page and create a new application. Then we add the bot and generate the access token. Now we can run the sequence. Let's make sure that we have the Transform Hub and Scramjet CLI installed and that the Transform Hub is running. Now we can build and send the sequence and then run it with our access token. Now when we open the standard output of our sequence, we can see that it is connected to the Discord API.
The last thing we have to do is actually connect the bot to our Discord server. And the bot is here. Now when you write the message, nothing happens. But since we're writing to the topic, we can take a peek at the data sent to it. We can see that our first message got sent, and another one also gets through. Cool, so we are halfway through our data flow. Now we only have to set up Slack write sequence. This is a super short sequence. First, we say that we want our topic to be the input stream. Then our sequence takes only one parameter, which is a Slack webhook URL. Now on every message sent to the input stream, we will send an HTTP request to the webhook URL. To run it, we need to get the Slack webhook URL for our workspace. Again, you can find instructions in the README of the sequence. We go to the Slack API page and create a new app, and we connect it to our workspace at the same time. And then we can get the incoming webhook URL. We build, send, and run the sequence with our webhook URL. And now, when we send a message on Discord, it's automatically forwarded to our Slack channel. If you have any questions or you're interested in similar challenges, be sure to join our Discord community, where we help each other to solve technical problems and share useful materials. You can find the invitation link in the top right corner of this video or in the description. Thanks for watching.